In this problem, we want to simplify the trig expression by factoring. So let's go ahead and factor our numerator. We have 1 minus cosine squared of v. So keep in mind, this is going to factor into two sets of parentheses. This is a difference of perfect squares here. So we're going to get 1 minus cosine of v and 1 plus cosine of v. And for our denominator, if you take a look at this, they both have a sine of v in common, and we can go ahead and take that common portion out. So we'll factor out the sine of v, and that's going to leave us with a 1 plus cosine of v. And you can distribute here if you need to, make sure you double check your work that you got back to what you started with here. And now if we want to simplify our expression, we can go ahead and cancel out the pieces that match top and bottom. So this is going to give us 1 minus cosine of v over sine of v. And a lot of people think that they should stop right here. However, if you can keep simplifying a little bit, continue to do so, and you can use some of your identities to help you out. Keep in mind, in this example here, we have a fraction, and remember that you can actually split apart this fraction so that you have each term on top over your denominator. So this is the same thing as saying 1 over sine of v minus cosine of v over sine of v. Okay, let's go ahead and use our identities to simplify each of these pieces. 1 over sine of v is the same thing as cosecant of v, and cosine of v on top over sine of v on the bottom is the same thing as cotangent of v. So this will end up being our final answer for this problem.